Hey, my name is Hurrel. I'm the Base Manager here in Oberpfaffenhofen, working for HeliService International. I started with HeliService in 21 at Emden. I was working on the base maintenance there, certifying staff. I then moved up to Munich a year and a bit ago, supervising the operation with all the heavy maintenance that we do here on various aircraft. The equipment, the tooling, the stuff like that we need. I guess working with on helicopters, there's a high degree of precision. There's very high standards. Perhaps that's the challenging, well, not so much challenge, but that's the rewarding part of it, is working to high standards. There's no sort of grey areas. I first started in aviation during my military service when I was a youngster. I've basically been in aviation since then, 40 odd years. Flying, no, I'd rather not. I'd rather stay on the ground.